So now let's test this GPU out and see what all of these features amount to in testing. And we will be comparing this GPU to what should be the best traditional 5090 card, the Asus Astral. By the way, the room temperature was controlled at 22 degrees Celsius, that's 72 Fahrenheit. So after putting the two graphics cards under full stress with Furmark for 20 minutes, here's what we got. The air-cooled Astral came out with an average of 64 degrees. Its maximum temp was just above 65. Now the liquid-cooled Aorus, on the other hand, was a whole 12 degrees cooler, averaging out at 52, and it maxed out at 63. A 5090, which is such a power-hungry card, running at max load in the low 50s is very impressive. Even more impressive was the liquid-cooled Waterforce did all of this with the highest boost clock of the two. The Aorus Waterforce GPU clock peaked at just over 3000, while the Astral peaked with 2850. Now let's see the noise difference between these two cards. I've got both of them with stock settings because as a user, that's how you would experience it. Here's the 5090 Astral. And here is the 5090 Waterforce. So after seeing the performance difference between these two cards, it's fairly obvious that it may be good for a few more frames in game. But let's get to the main point. The benefit of this card is the enhanced cooling and its superior look. It does feel more like an engineer's passion project than a regular GPU. I've said this before about these water-cooled cards. Compared to the regular 5090s, it's the same as the difference between the sports car and its own high-performance version. Both are incredibly quick, but one is just a bit quicker, a bit better built, and much more expensive. So it's not much a question of price on performance, but rather that value is not important. Money is no object, and it is enough to know that you have the absolute best. Anyways, I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one.